Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix archive stories missing on Instagram. So you have to just open your Instagram here. In the bottom right side corner you will see your profile icon, and on the top right you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on it. Now here you have to go to the archive section. So here, this is my archive section. You have to go here and you can see this is all my stories which has been archived after it has got once 24 hours have been passed out. So for some reasons, if you are not able to see any stories, just click on the three icon here and make sure that you have been into the story archives. But you have to click on the three dots and go to the settings here and make sure save stories as archive is turned on. In your case it could be turned off, but still if this problem persists, in your case this you have turned it on, and still when you're adding stories and it is not showing in archive section, then I will advise you to uninstall your Instagram and just reinstall your Instagram once again. This will definitely fix your problem. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.